Here's how to take a lightsaber from looking like this to looking like this when filming videos, just using practical effects, which means everything happens on set and in camera. No editing required. Also, huge thanks to Damiensaber for sending me this lightsaber to use. I'll be reviewing this in a minute, so stick around for that to learn more about Damiensabers. The first rule of filming lightsabers is pretty obvious, but I'll mention it anyway. You want to film in an environment that's a little on the dark side. You want your lightsaber to be the brightest thing in the video. Make sure to manually set the exposure so that the entire blade is bright white. Lightsabers have a solid white core and then a brightly colored glow on the outside. We're halfway there with the white blade, but now we need to create the glow. An easy hack that I found is to just film with a dirty camera lens. I'm obsessed with always having a super clean camera lens, but in this situation, I'm gonna leave fingerprints all over this and just keep doing it until there's a nice even layer of smudges on the lens. And that's all there is to it. Right now I have the camera lens split right down the middle. This half is dirty and this half is still clean. So clean, dirty, clean, dirty. Look at that glow. But of course, to even get started making this effect, you're gonna have to have a lightsaber that glows. I'm using this heavy dueling saber from Damiensaber. At $150, this is a bit more than your average Walmart lightsaber. You can actually duel with this thing. I'm hoping that some of my friends will also get lightsabers so that we can duel. But in the meantime, this light stand is my greatest enemy.
I am your father.
This has an in-hilt LED light, which is RGB, so you can change it to any color that you want. I like that it charges with just a regular USB-C port that's located here next to the power button. This handle has a really minimalistic design, but it's full metal and feels really sturdy. It has sensitive smooth swing and motion control. Smooth swing means that it can detect motion, so as I move it, it's gonna adjust the sounds that it's making accordingly. It'll sound different when it's holding still than when I start moving it, and it'll sound different when I move it faster than when I move it slower. The soundboard on this is really good. The sounds are very accurate. They start making sound the instant you move it. It's really fluid and feels realistic. It has optional flash on clash, which means when you hit something, it's gonna blink white and make that clashing sound. And you can turn this on or off, which is really great if you're gonna be in a competition where they don't want you to have flash on clash enabled. The motion controls allow you to turn on and off the blade by doing a quick rotation of the handle, or if you just start swinging the lightsaber, it will also come on. Whether you're looking for the basic lightsaber that lights up and is tough enough to duel with, or if you want the hilt to be a replica from the movies, Damiensaber has a lot of great options to choose from. Use the link in the description below to go check out their website. If you want to learn how to take your lightsaber filmmaking to the next level with computer effects, like that, then click on this in-depth tutorial video right here to learn how to do that, and I'll see you in the next one.